It's a mini drama. Loretta is on a work Zoom call. That makes sense, Kathy. Oh my gosh.
Loretta and her teammates are rock stars.
Jeff, I didn't even think of that. Oh my goodness. I'm going to try that.
She sips her go-to energy drink to stay alert and engaged.
Cynthia. Girl, you should have shared that before. Oh my goodness. That is the best practice I've heard this whole month.
More caffeine, please. This call is dragging.
Luke, I didn't even put that together like that. You are really stepping up your game. Wow. 2023 is going to be amazing.
The announcement she's been praying for finally arrives.
Thank you all for your morning participation. We will take a 20-minute break and resume our workshop after the break.
Whew, I am so glad we get to take a break because I am starving. At least I get to get a snack. I hope I got something good in the kitchen because this ain't a cutting it. Let me go see. All right, I don't have a lot of time, so let me see what I got to snack on up in here. Move, motor, I got business.
She remembered she just got a shipment of Dixon's specialty popcorn in. What flavor will she choose for her Zoom call snack? Find out next.
2,000 years later.
Time is it? I gotta get back to my Zoom. National Popcorn Day is January 19th. Make sure you get your orders in now. Contact Michelle. The information is in the description bar and running across the screen. Screenshot it. Make sure you give her a call or email her for your order placement. Get it in now because if you don't, you might be sorry. And another reason you might be sad is if you only order one bag. Make sure you order more than one bag. She's gonna be running all kinds of specials, coupons, Netflix and chill deals, buy one, get one free deals. She'll be also doing giveaways, just so many things going on. She wants to appreciate you, the customer. So make sure you get your orders in now. Check out the other links if you haven't seen a deep dive into my review of Dixon Specialty Popcorn. I give you all of the scoop, okay? No kernel is left unturned. Check it out.